Hey Robin. Aje. Aje. Robin. Today we have come here for complaining the cyber crime, that one Facebook were using the name of Bubagra, which was hacked today, and it is very serious crime that lot of picture was added in the Facebook. So we complained to the SP Cybercrime to look into the matter, and since it is a Bubagra matter, the Tipra are very serious about this matter, and we appeal to the authority to take the action. And I also request all our friends to be careful, because this trend is very much going on in our state, that social media and hacking is happening daily routine. So we, on behalf of Tipra, we complain today, and it is very unfortunate that our icon Bubagra, his Facebook, his account was used by our party only, but it was hacked. So therefore, it is very serious matter, and we request on behalf of our party to take the action immediately. Ini sengoro cybercrime ni SP, senglukha cini kaja Facebook. Cini Bubagra ni mungti Facebook seng calok tongmani abo Heaking kha te gabang photo citra rok aro daljak kha seng nukha abang abo belai ke lachma singsa te bele wana ma singsa te cini Tipra Mothani ngui seng tinoro SP malaika cin dolo tong cini forma embele cin daljas deborma te cin media friend te cin buri bodol jotto seng oro fayei kaje complain letter rakha te bor ba seng detail kok salaika bor sawo seng chesta khainai abono seng trace out khine bagi bor chesta khainai aboni bagi seng koinai je jate chini khroch icon chini Bubagra no bor bobung durnam khine bagi hamya khine bagi chesta talok tongo abo belai ke seng serious mangnai te seng abono manai seng thamcha khlai yo mai je chini Tipra no durnam khine bagi chini Bubagra no durnam khine bagi onek bor conspiracy chalok tongo aboni seng careful mangnai hambai.